Dear listeners, I'm Jackson Anefio. We are going to look at the appendicular skeleton as a type of the endoskeleton in the huge human body. Remember, in our previous lesson, the human skeleton has been divided into the axial and the appendicular skeleton. The appendicular skeleton here is being divided into two. We have here the pectoral girdle, and we also have the pelvic girdle. We have to start with the pectoral girdle, the bones of the pectoral girdle. The bones of the pectoral girdle, here we have the clavicle, also known as the collarbone or the shoulder bone. Then we also have here the shoulder blade, which is here. A detached one is here. We also have the humerus. We have the ulna, the larger one, and the radius here, respectively, attached to the palms here, the phalanx, and the rest. You see, the collarbone here has a connection with the sternum and also with the paracort process of the scapula. The scapula here possesses the glenot cavity, which contains the synovial fluid. You have what we call the glenot cavity, which contains the synovial fluid. This fluid prevents friction in between bone to bone during articulation. Here we also have the pelvic girdle. The pelvic girdle fuses to form the waist bone we know or we call, which is known as the innominate bone. In structure, we have to make a little sketch of the pelvic girdle. We call this location the ilium. We call this the pubis. We call this acetabulum. We call this obturator foramen. Why we call this the issue? This constitutes the innominate bone. Now, this location, we call it the pubis symphysis. Pubis symphysis. You can see that the acetabulum here is a cavity, which you can see here. This is a cavity which the head of the femur, the thigh bone, or the longest bone in the body is known as the femur, found located in the lap region. The head of this femur articulates, is being attached to the acetabulum of the innominate bone, also known as the pelvic girdle. It will also interest you to understand the basic physiology or the functioning of this large hole, which is here. The large hole here in the pelvic girdle is known as the obturator foramen. It helps the blood vessels to pass through, drain blood to the leg region, and return tissue fluid to the circulatory system with the aid of the lymphatic vessel. Any blockage, it will cause restriction of flow of blood in the blood vessels that drains blood to and fro the leg region. You also see the pubis symphysis separates the pelvic girdle into right and left region. Also attached to it is the sacrum, fused sacral vertebra, and the corpus, which is a fused caudal vertebra, which extends in animal with extended tail, which is not found in human, using sitting down. The buttocks covers this location. The reproductive system is being found at this region. And you see below the thigh bone or the femur, you have the tibia and the fibula, 2 bones, and the foot, legs region. The kneecap is being situated here, part of the pelvic girdle. The pelvic girdle, we have the hip limb. Right here we have what? 4 limbs, respectively. Thank you for clicking to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, share, like. Also, your comment is highly recommendable. Thank you.